So today, we're gonna be turning these jeans into some stack jeans.
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Y'all, my favorite jeans is American Eagle, so I bought some American Eagle jeans, but they're too short, guys, because I needed some work pants, so I bought these, and then I got these from Goodwill. So I said I'd like to say you don't have to have a whole lot of expensive stuff to make these. You can get your 2 pairs from Goodwill. Just make sure that it's good quality. All right, let's get into this video. I think the key when cutting these pants is to cut more than what you need so that if you go back, you can just always trim them if they're too long for your stack jeans. Some pins, scissors, fabric scissors, tape measure, measuring tape. First, I'm gonna cut off, these jeans came with this wannabe rolled up cuff thing. I'm gonna cut that off first. So I cut off that bottom hem, and now I'm gonna measure how long I wanna cut the part that I wanna add to my stack jeans, add to my a regular pair of jeans. 10 inches seem long, but I think I'm gonna go with like 14, up to 15, because I wanted to add 1 inch for the seam allowance where I gotta sew the 2 pieces together. So seam allowance is gonna be 1 inch. So I made it 15 inches. And you can just take the other leg and fold it over, and it should be the exact same length. All right, now we got 2 pieces right here that we can now use as extensions. So I just laid these pants out straight, and I'm gonna cut 5 inches off of the second pair. I'm connecting the 2 pieces to each other to sew next. So you take the legs that you cut off, turn them inside out, and you put them over the first pair. And the reason why I'm making these some stack jeans, y'all, is because these American Eagle jeans I'm making, they was some high waters, y'all. I had got a job, and I needed some new black pants ASAP. So I had ordered these, and they was some high waters, and I kind of knew they was gonna be high waters. But when y'all line it up, just make sure that the seams line up, because like on one of mine, it's like ripping. So that's why I say give yourself like 1 inch for seam allowance when you sewing, because you know that's bound to happen. From cutting the bottom of the pants leg off. So while I'm sewing, I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of adjusting, because the part that I cut off is a little bit bigger than the part that I'm attaching it to. But I'll just adjust it while I'm sewing. So they should look like this. You get done. And then basically when after you sew and you flip it inside out, they should look like this. Obviously, they're gonna be more attached. I might actually have to move this up some. No, I think I'm gonna leave it. So after you sew it and attach it and you flip it inside out, you can see how it looks. With these two edges tucked in, I'm about to take these ends and sew them together. So I sewed this all the way around. Y'all see that? I'm about to flip it inside out to show y'all what it looked like. So y'all, this is what it looked like. I really just wanted to make sure I had these seams lined up, y'all. As you can see, I messed up a little bit right here. You see, this is the seam on the first pair of pants. It's the seam on the second pair of pants. And I also was off on this side. But it was kind of hard, guys. I didn't cut it at the same spot. But you can't really tell because these are black pants. And I kind of did have to bunch it up right here to make it fit. We'll see once I try them on. We'll see the final look once I try them on. So this is one leg. Finished. So I just finished sewing this line around here. Y'all see this line? I just sewed it across there. I shot the line and hems up. Like you see, this one was starting to split, but that's fine. So we're gonna turn this one inside out and just see how it looks. Make sure everything just got sewed up. Yeah, everything I sewed up. The hems didn't really line up that well, but they did better than the last pair. So, yeah, you see that. And now, show you what they look like.
Let's go.